We'll guide you through how to download and install Iris shaders in 1.21.4. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Shaders can promote and completely change the look of Minecraft. So we'll be guiding you through this, and there are different packs you can get as well. First of all, go and close Minecraft. If you've got a pack in mind that you want to go and get with Iris shaders, you can go and get that pack. Otherwise, we can go and head straight to CurseForge. This is basically a place for Minecraft and other games where there are loads of different add-ons. So we can go and click on it, and we can then go and click on Minecraft. So click Browse All at the top, and you can then scroll down and select shaders, and then game version we can set to 1.21.4. So we can now go and see different packs here. So you can browse through here, you can go and click on them and click gallery, and you can go and see what they're going to look like. So in this case, I'm going to go and get this pack here. So we can go and click on files, and what we can then do is go and get it for 1.21.4. So I'll go to the right, press the three dots and click download file. Before we get any further, a big thank you to Apex Hosting for sponsoring this video. At the moment, you can get 25% off your first invoice. If you're interested, I'll put a link down below in the pinned comment and the description. So if we go and scroll down like so, we can go and check out some of the awesome features. For example, one-click install mod packs, which means you can easily go and play with them. DDoS protection, keeping your server safe and online. One of the best things is 24/7 servers and support. But to continue, now that you've gone and got the shader pack, we need to go and get Iris shaders. So we can press back, and we can then go and click in the search bar and type in Iris shaders and go and click on it. Go and click on files. You can then scroll down here. What we need to do is go and find Iris for Fabric and for 1.21.4. Come to the right and press the three dots and click download file and wait. It's now downloaded, and we can come back. And now we need to go and get something called sodium. So you can go and click in the search, type in sodium and press sodium. Then we can press files. Once again, we need to get it for 1.21.4 for Fabric. In this case, it's this one here. So we can press the three dots and press download file. You can see the game version and the mod loader, just to clarify that there, and press download file. Now that it's gone and downloaded, we need to get Fabric. As this goes and runs on Fabric, that's the mod loader we got it for. So what you can do is come to a search engine, and you can go and type in Fabric Minecraft like so. You can then come to the site fabricmc.net. What you can do is press download, and now we can go and press download for Windows. You can get the jar, but I just usually get the download for Windows. That will download. And what we also need to get is the Fabric API. So there's quite a few things we need to get here, but go and tap on it, then click files. And for this, you can just select all game versions and select 1.21.4. And here we are. And so then what we can do is we can go and see the Fabric one here, find the version, and we can get the most recent one here. So press the three dots and press download file. And now wait. We've now downloaded what we need. So you can come out of the web browser and you can come and open up a file explorer and come to your downloads. We need to install Fabric. So double click on the installer and then it should pop up. Make sure the version is set to 1.21.4 and press install. And we've now gone and installed it. You'll get the success pop up and you can press OK and close it, and you can close it out of the installer as well. Now we can come to the bottom and click on search, and we can go and type in Minecraft Launcher. In the launcher, go to the top and click on installations. And then what you need to do is go and scroll down like so, and you want to go and find the Fabric loader for 1.21.4, as you can see. Come over to the right and press on the installations folder icon, and you'll be brought to the files. You need to go and scroll down and go and find the mods folder, select it and open it. And what we need to do is then go and drag and drop the mods in here. So if we go and open up my downloads here, you can go and drag in the Fabric API. Then you can go and drag in Sodium Fabric like so, and you can then go and drag in Iris Fabric like that. There, what you need to go and add in, and then what you can do is return to the launcher, and you can then go and hover over Fabric Loader and click play. Now it's going to go and run. Go and wait. Here we are, we can see Fabric in the bottom left. Now what we need to do is go and install the shaders. To do that, you can go and click on options like so. Then click video settings, and at the top you'll see the options for shader packs. Click there. What you can do is go and click on open pack folder like so. You want to come back to your downloads, and what we can then do is go and drag and drop them in. So what we can do is drag them in like so, and then they should go and appear. I have got some others here as I've gone and used them before. But these were the shaders I just got, so you can then go and double click the ones you want to use and go and click apply. and you can see it will go yellow. We can then press done and press done again. And now we can go and get into a world. We can go and see what they look like. And here we are, they've now gone and loaded and they look absolutely insane. They really do enhance the look of Minecraft. You can go and see the shadows and you can go and see the sun and the clouds. And of course, there are other packs you can get as well. And they all do look different. So go and see what you like the most. To change the shaders while in a game, pause it by pressing escape. You can then press options and go and find video settings, press shader packs at the top, and you can select different ones in the game and apply them. It's that simple. Of course, you can always go and disable them as well and just play it without them. As I said before, there are lots of different packs out there you can get as well. So now all you need to do is go and download more shaders and you can just go and add them into the shaders folder where we showed you how to get to. And you can then easily switch between them. So if you found this useful and want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future, and there are also a ton of guides on the channel you can check out as well. Have an awesome day.